Have a look at the difference it makes. Fitting a sway bar like the Super Pro stops that body roll around corners, giving you better handling and sharper steering, therefore greater tyre grip on the road. Folks, if you own a modern dual cab ute, fitting a rear sway bar makes a huge difference, especially if you're towing. Now look, in this video, we're going to show you how to fit one of these Super Pro sway bars. It's much easier than you think. Only take you a couple of hours, and with a few tips from the experts, I reckon you will be able to save yourself a few dollars. The first thing you need to do is chock the front wheels. Then jack up under the centre of the diff on the rear of the vehicle and place axle stands under the rear diff. Remove the rear wheels, then undo U-bolts and remove rear bump stops. Grease the Super Pro sway bar mount that doubles as your bump stop, and then install it back on the leaf pack using the U-bolts and base plate like this. You'll notice that Shane has just nipped up these U-bolts down here. He's only done them finger tight. The reason being, so it holds this polyblock in place. And the reason is about to become very evident. Shane passes me the sway bar through, and I can just force it straight through there, and that stays where it should. Now it's time to put the sway bar mount on the other side and secure the sway bar into position. Next, it's time to install the chassis brackets and U-bolts as per the instructions that come with the sway bar kit. You now install the link pins. You'll notice there's 3 mounting holes in the sway bar arm. These 3 holes are for adjustability. We recommend you mount to the middle hole to start with. Repeat the process on the other side. Now everything is installed, it's time to tighten all your bolts. Double check them all to ensure they are tight. Okay, all that's left for us right now, of course, is to remove these axle stands and take this bad boy for a test drive. Fitting a rear sway bar really is that simple, and it makes a huge difference if you carry heavy loads in a dual cab or you're towing. If you've got any questions about sway bars, maybe you want to fit one to your four-wheel drive, put the questions in the comments below and we'll get Shane from FULCRUM to answer them for you. I've organised a cracking deal for you. Right now, you can get 15% off Super Pro sway bars by using the code ACTION15 at fulcrumsuspensions.com.au.